Only me that say. But I said, "I me pacho ya transfer attention TV so." I me pacho ne a tufa wiem. Ani ne yesie. Ano di for me tina me ntimi ntram beka safa ho. Anape me hye nkom to abra boss se. Se ne ti bia. Awurade ma atofo ntwan ho da. Oma beto nyama na ma wo a wo hwe me. Anape me so ni nimde ni nyansa de ma wate. Mami, na ya hwa de biu. Na e security agency for no. Ye kum. Security agencies for no tutu ni bia. Emrante ni nkuomo. Na ti se emrante ni tie ni ya 145. They have fortified the body. Yes, no correct. You better see a immigration officer. You better you I was soro ho. Na kpanduru na kpangara ho no. Slim. And I don't know you become immigration officer. If it's a no. Me bacho MC fatu sumame. Migration officer we you kuno. You kuno so a anso how. Ene ya sen kufufuro. Ya sen twegu so. Na Ghana tene saa ne yansunu gujam. The way they may treat John Dramani Mama. Na twen abas bibi so. Tete brane ya nananama de nha binding dubra. Ani obreku ani. Me bacho we enyan tokwa. Enyan tokwa me tu fo no makasem ya kire wo. Some immigration officers ni ekum de ya. And immigration officers no omu ni bambo bia. Oba de tweri ampon yankopon bo soro bo asase. Ne nyama bi wo ha betima bo immigration for ho bai. Ma men kire wade sisi a. Won edan wura aye friend wo jeko brofu mu no. Ye say friend say wo jeko. Eno so a de ye pons, e ma pons ya. Omu twume no wase sabaka se nyomo kra. Sa wo jeko no. Baba be kan ye de ye. Eno so be kan kakra ni kan nyina. Wo jeko yi. Unya no na onye obreku aniwa. Na wo chiom fra. Na wo na usi na de freya ye na nanam kuto ya security officer bia odi bi sra ni padua e tuntu enko ututu ni pay ni wadane wa esem frama utu pay ni wadane wa esem frama wo untie bi o mama video ko ka empanifo nsa say security officers ni ekun mi bi na soldiers ye be kun mejo mahama ya min kamu ya Ghana for ye furu odani ya ai nyanya no hayi eno so wo di gina soja ni asasun timayam asemi dampare abreso enne ye hu se papa ko prison so hyen so afa no hodi eno nkoda ewo mu ni yesa be ku soja phobia ni o chechire o mu ne ntokwa eno nso nkoda edani ya soja ni ko hwe obi wo pharmacy e obema camp we ya eno so eho ase bebiri adenti ene ye security agents ye momo ho ban ade am chire nka ka ba ko sa omu gitum perifo gitum na security officers ni gitum a anka de betia ye de betra abo akokọ ana abo dan ye de bia ko bema camp ye de bia ko police headquarters ana ye be kunku police fo ni nyina nso okochire aroba ena the family junction ya ye ku police ni a ogbo minu esika ho ban na posika no akon ye wie ni ye ku ko ya na yere ne mba da bi adentina mo maye mo ho ban a free security officer su e be kwa fabio o man Ghana aya na ya reho aya asefum na ma security maami mua afro opa nkrofo eku mu chawo opa chawo so waje ko ni nam ho opa chawo breku ni wa ho ba ko na kan ye menka orofo high attention TV na patrol for ko se ntini the patrol me da so for God's Revelation ministry no as a general overseer meto nsa fro wate kwasi ada we abrama yenso afa TV program bi sunsum program wa woton ade bia no meto nsa fro afi bia me yer baako the way be mu 2 days timisraw brabi me yansi sanyama bi na fakoton ade December na 30th November so me pa cho me bo afore meto nsa fro brabe so mu na me fa to conditions wate mane kan akoma abesubu tiahau waku immigration officer ya no silemu ho kwani yeku watch it.
Good morning to every other officer on this platform. This morning I'm so sad and so scared for all of us as officers. Sir, with all due respect about the points that you have raised, sir, I can tell you that most of the times, officers, and mostly it is junior officers, so, sir, it is junior officers, all these shootings and killings that has been going on in this few number of years, the attacks on officers has been mostly with junior officers. People have tried to observe all these things that we have numbered or putting up, even some meantime, because they know what civilians are capable of doing now. They know that when we try to even protect ourselves or even retaliate, later on, you, the officer, especially in this our Ghana Immigration Service, you will rather face disciplinary actions. They will not finish investigation before they will even punish you. Mostly, and all these things that have been going on, it is junior officers. We are the ones losing our lives. We are the ones losing our lives. Sir, we are begging you, please, junior officers matter. Our life, it matter. We are begging, because if this shooting and killings had been a top hierarchy in this service, I'm sure something massive would have been done. But when the issue happened like this, we only see write-ups, talking. After 2 days or 3 days, then everything just dies down. We are begging this morning, sir. And sir, we go to do good form. We are afraid for our lives. You see, you're stubborn. Things are eating us up. Things are worrying us. Things are choking us. But junior officers, you could be on any platform. They will go and say that we are stubborn. Sit on TV and tell the whole world that we are stubborn. Meanwhile, we are losing our lives. These people have children, they have wives, they have families to cater for. Ubekra, some you quit Jumaba, Adebeti, Yesi, Wombai, Ebesheno, Yesi, ni Suno, ni body in that TV screen. So we are begging, who company for me, who kept my because you call Kasana say, if you say you intimate, can you say that is why some people will resort to us, social media and other stuff. And also, I must say, ye pamucho, ye pejuma, edia pe anu eduane, ye pejuma, edia share so any yema. Now say ye koya, ne di owo ne nam ye be any day. It's also uniform now because unam na pipe bisia. The first person people want to attack is what share uniform. Because on a sia civilian, obenya be a journey in Tiakoshe, and now put a penny be any Bible for that issue will not go anywhere. Now, officer, how try to defend yourself by attacking so that you also protect your life. I don't know if you are not careful. Attack you. Sometimes even our service will not stand for you. Sir, where I am share the castle. Maybe I am share. I did we say my share because it's a yes. The way junior officers are dying every time. If these people don't want us to protect them, then please let them be. Let them kill themselves. Because see how they are killing innocent officers every day. And consider Ben. ABSC, they said they are investigating. Somebody's life is gone.
It's the Yamushi. Of your to say. Or of Yamushi show. Yamushi show. You probably school. The Baba Peg Maye. Na Ubiatam to a channel console. Yes, any wompo. nyese ne nkrab yampo ya papa police for soldier for edu ya bi nso amoma no kora ne nya adwuma mesrewo munyintum na mi aminim saa haban ni nyamai me nko fa bi yamfa ntrabo aponche me ameto aba me ma ban to na se obi bedi anyamara se no batwitwu a migration for the enim se wo mo na jeje kwa wo ko fanya ma bi na enya kwampa so a ne ya chew meboa enti officer ni pay e bia mi kei odi ko ke betwe won immigration officer a che no ye nyane sa okoba wa bekun because wagini we are in times kanyina ani ti mo ye moye security for no bai mo ye dware mo haban me dey no rifa kwasi antwi me pacho opeso dware haban we security officer opeso dware haban hwe mami pacho o pacho how possible no for brate what do you know they fortify the body they chop medicine yeah na na mo dia be uni pedua ya me kan say susu nyima de me bi SH0T be ho fa haban dware ho no suru nyankopon odimafo Ibrahim nyame enye wie aha e attention TV better smack crowd